हेलो बच्चों, हाय आई पूर्वी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पर्सनल ट्यूटर चैनल। आज हम लोग क्लास 5 इन्वायरमेंटल साइंस का चैप्टर 21 लाइक फादर लाइक डॉटर पढ़ने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन। अच्छी Ashima was sitting near the window and reading. अशीमा विंडो के पास में बैठी हुई है और पढ़ रही है। It was windy and there was a lot of dust in the air. बहुत हवा चल रही है और हवा में भी बहुत डस्ट है, बहुत धूल है। Suddenly Ashima sneezed loudly. अच्छी और एकदम से अशीमा जोर से चिल्लाई। जोर से उसने अच्छी किया। असीमा's parents were shouting out vegetables in the kitchen. असीमा के जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो वेजिटेबल्स छाट रहे थे किचन में। हर मदर सैड शी स्नीजेस जस्ट लाइक यू डू। तो उसकी मम्मी बोलती है कि ये बिल्कुल आपकी तरह, मतलब असीमा के पापा की तरह छींकती है। इफ़ यू वर नॉट हियर आई वुड हैव थॉट इट वॉज योर स्नीज। अगर आप यहाँ नहीं होते किचन में मेरे साथ तो मुझे यही लगता कि आपने ही छींका है। fill in the table. Asima sneezed just like her father. Do you have any such habit or traits which is similar to that of someone in your family? जैसे असीमा के स्नीच उसके फादर्स की जैसी सेम है। सो क्या आपकी भी कोई हैबिट या ट्रेट्स आपके फैमिली मेम्बर से सिमिलर है? वॉट इज़ इट और कौन सी? एंड whom इट इज़ सिमिलर टू और किससे सिमिलर है? यह स्पेशल हैबिट और ट्रेट एंड whom इट इज़ सिमिलर टू। जल्दी से बताओ बच्चों कि आपकी कौन सी आदत, आपका कौन सा ट्रेड आपके किस फैमिली मेम्बर से मैच करता है। टेल, does your face or anything else look similar to that of someone else in your family and what is it? क्या आपका फेस या फेस लुक आपके किसी फैमिली मेम्बर्स की तरह दिखता है और कैसा दिखता है आपका फेस और कौन सा ऐसा ऑर्गन है जो उनसे मैच करता है। Did someone tell you this or did you find it out yourself? क्या ये आपने खुद पहचाना है या किसी ने आपको बताया है कि आप उसकी तरह दिखते हो या आपका कोई ऑर्गन या आपके कोई ट्रेट्स किसी आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स की तरह सेम है। हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन पीपल कंपेयर यू विद समवन एल्स इन योर फैमिली? व्हाई डू यू फील सो? आपको कैसा महसूस होता है जब कोई लोग आपको आपकी फैमिली मेम्बर से कंपेयर करे? आपको कैसा लगता है उस टाइम पर? Who laughs the loudest in your family? Laugh like that person. कौन सबसे तेज हंसता है? उसकी तरह हंस के देखो। Whose aunt? Nilima had gone to the house of her nanny, mother's mother, in the school holidays. She saw someone coming and went to tell her mother, Amma, a Mausi, mother's sister, has come to meet you. Her mother came out to see who had come. She told Nilima, No, this is not your Mausi. She is your sister Kiran. You know your elder Nani? Kiran is the daughter of her elder son. Kiran is your cousin sister. In fact, you are her cute son Sameer's Mausi. Make a list of all the family members from Nilima, Nani to little Sameer. How are they all related to Nilima? Right. Find out in your family, are there any such example of uncle, nephew or brother, sister where there is a big difference in the age? Find out from your elders. How we are all related. Nilima started playing with Sameer. Her mother called Kiran and said, See, my Nilima's hair is a lot like yours, thick, curly and black. It's good she does not have hairs like mine, straight, limp, and brown. Nilima's nanny laughed and said, "Yes, isn't it strange? We sister had thick curly hair, and now our second generation has similar hair." Nilima was listening to all this. She thought, we are called distinct relatives, but how closely related we are in many ways. Find out and write. Does Nilima have curly hair like her nannies? Now you look for someone special trait in your sister or brother, could also be cousins, like the color of eye, dimple in the cheeks, height, broads or shape, sharp nose, voice, etc. See if these traits come from the father's side or the mother's side. Make the table in your notebook and fill it. An example is given. जैसे स्पेशल ट्रेड है नीलिमा में कर्ली हेयर का whom does it resemble? Her nanny, grandmother. So from whose side? Mother or father? From mother side. Have you seen a very young child in your or any other family? Whom does the child eyes, nose, hair or fingers look like in the family? Like their name. Nilima hairs is like her nanny's, thick and curly. Nilima's mother has straight brown and limp hair. What type of hair do you have? Black or brown? Oily or dry? So please जल्दी से हमें बताएं कि आपके बाल कैसे हैं. What is the color of your hair? Measure and write the length of your hair. Is your hair like that of anyone else in your family? If yes, then name the person. Measure the hair of other members of your family. Who has the longest hair in your family? How many people do you know whose hair is longer than 1 meter? Does having long hair run in their family? Do you know how to measure your height? Measure yourself from head to toe and write how tall you are. How tall do you think you will be when you grow up? Is anyone else in your family of the same height? Measure the height of your family members and write it down. Is this a mirror? Look at the next page. Is Saroja standing in front of mirror? No, this is her twin. Did you get confused? Their mother's brother, Mamu, also get confused when he sees them together. At times, Saroja gets scolded for mischief done by Suvashini. Sometimes Suvashini tried her mama and says Suvashini has gone out. But now mama has learnt a trick. He says sing a song in Marathi. Why this funny trick? Read about them and you will understand. The sisters were just 2 weeks old when Saroja's father's brother wife Chachi adopted her and took her to Pune. Everyone in the Chachi's house is very fond of music. Mornings begins with the music in the house. Saroja knows many songs in both the languages, Tamil and Marathi. At home, everyone speaks Tamil and at school, most of the children speaks in Marathi. Survashini says with her father in Chennai, her father is a karate coach. Since she was 3, Suvashini started doing karate with the other children. On holidays, both father and daughter started practicing in the morning. Saroja and Suvashini look alike but also quite different. Do you know how? Why Mama has his way of finding out who is who? Discuss. What is the similar between the Saroja and the Suvashini and what is different? Do you know any twins who is similar in them? How are they different? Do you know of twins who don't look the same? Saroja and Suvashini look a lot like each other, yet are different. For example, Saroja knows two languages. If Suvashini family also talked in two languages, she could also learn both. We learn many things like language, music, love for reading or knitting when we get a chance and an environment to do so. This from the family. Do this interesting survey in your class. Write how many children can do this. Without touching your teeth, fold your tongue towards the back of your mouth. Roll your tongue by lifting it from the sides. Open all the toes of your feet now without moving the others. Move the little toe. Touch the thumb to the wrist. Make V-shaped two fingers of your hand to each side. Move your ear without holding them. Those children who could do any of this should ask their family members also to do. So, how many children have got these traits from their family? So, बच्चों जल्दी से ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखो, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. But not this from parents. Sati was only a few months old when one of her legs was affected by polio. But she never let this come in the way of her work and her life. Walking long distances and climbing many stairs has been a part of her work. Now Sati is married. Some people tell her not to have any children. She is also worried that her children may also get polio. She spoke to a doctor about this. Have you read or heard anything about polio and where? Have you read or heard any news about pulse polio? What? Do you know of anyone who has polio? Experiments with peas, rough or smooth. Georg Mendel was born in a poor farmer's family in Austria in 1822. He was very fond of studies, but the very thought of examination made him nervous. Oh, you too feel the same. He did not have money to study at the university, so he thought of becoming a monk in a monastery. He thought from there he would be sent to study further, which he was. But to become a science teacher, he has to take an exam. Oh no! He got so nervous that he kept running away from exam and keep failing. But he didn't stop doing experiments. For 7 years, he did experiments on 28,000 plants in the garden of the monastery. He worked hard, collected many observations, and made a new discovery, something which scientists at that time couldn't even understand. They understood it many years after his death. when other scientists did such experiments and read what Mendel had already written. What did Mendel find in those plants? He found that pea plant has some traits which comes in pairs, like the seeds is either rough or smooth, it is either yellow or green, and the height of plant is either tall or short, nothing in between. The next generation, the children of the plant which has either rough or smooth seeds, will also have seeds which are rough or smooth. There is no seed which is mixed a bit smooth and a bit rough. He found the same with color. Seeds which are either green or yellow give rise to the new seeds which are either green or yellow. The next generation does not have the seeds with a mixed new color made from both green and yellow. Mendel showed that in the next generation of pea plants, there will be more plants having the yellow seeds. He also showed that the next generation will have more plants with the smooth seeds. What's a discovery? Some from the family, some from the environment. From a distance, Weber knows that her Nana grandfather is coming from his loud laughter. Nana also talks loudly and hears with difficulty. Are there people in your house who talks loudly? Is it their habit or they cannot also hear very well? Are there times when you do not talk loudly in front of people? When and with whom and why? And when can you speak loudly? Some people use a machine in the ear to help them hear better. Some use a stick or spectacles to help them in others' way. Do you know someone who does so? Talk to the people who cannot hear very well. Find out if they had this problem from birth. When did they start to have a problem with hearing? What difficulties do they face? We have seen that some traits or habits we get from our family, some things and skills we learn from our environment. At times, our abilities changes because of some illness or old age. All this together make us what we are. हम लोगों ने देखा है कि कुछ हैबिट्स और ट्रेड्स तो हमको हमारी फैमिली से आते हैं और कुछ चीज़ें हम लोग हमारे इन्वायरमेंट से सीखते हैं और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो टाइम के साथ चेंज होती रहती है, जैसे कि अगर हमें कोई बीमारी है तो हमारी कोई एबिलिटी चेंज हो जाएगी और ओल्ड एज में हम बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो भी कोई एबिलिटी हमारी चेंज हो जाएगी. वॉट वी हैव लर्न, हमने क्या पढ़ा. वॉट डू यू थिंक? What all is a part of you that you got from your mother's side? आपको क्या लगता है कि आप में कौन सा ऐसा पार्ट है जो आपको आपकी मम्मी की साइड से मिला है? सो जल्दी से अपने व्यूज़ हमें कमेंट कर बताएं. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिलेटेड टू दिस वीडियो, अगर आपको इस वीडियो का कोई भी टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आया हो तो प्लीज़ हमें जल्द से जल्द कमेंट कर बताएं. थैंक यू बच्चों. Have a nice day.